All right, let's go ahead and check our work. So, as you are reading, you should have figured out that the point of view is first person. A character in the story is telling the story. Right in paragraph 1, it states, "At home, I continue to be a model son." So I know that the speaker is speaking because of a word the author uses, like I. The second question I asked you was about the characters. So there are two main characters. We have the speaker, and we know that he's talking about getting his own room because he's sharing it with his younger brother and he likes baseball. Then we have Kirk, who is the speaker's younger brother. As you were reading, I hope you were thinking about, well, what does the speaker want or need? This is the speaker's motivation. Well, the speaker wants his own room, but does not want to move into the office, which leads us into the problem. The speaker does not want to move out of his current room and into the office. So, how did you do? I want you guys to assess yourself. Um, how close were your responses? Were they almost the same, somewhat different, or very different? Awesome. We're going to go ahead and move on once you answer this question.